retro modding, and then this is one from God of Gaming. I mean, the color's wrong. Like, that stands out to me. Both of them have the lighter color. This is notably darker, that bevel. So, I mean, I think that's kind of interesting. Maybe they have the same provider. Maybe the fact that God of Gaming, the screen printing doesn't look quite as good, that could be a complete fluke. All right, so like really what I'm most curious about are is the quality of the case, because in my video for that I noticed, well, with both of these, you know, one thing I was curious about is, are these using the original injection molding dies, or are these ones that came out later? And so we'll just dump all these, the shoulder buttons, the side buttons. So I saw there were a lot of issues with the previous case on the edges, and I'm not seeing the same issues really on this one. It looks pretty clean. There's some right there, some leaking from the injection molding process. This does look, oh, here we go. Again, we have some, yeah, a lot of markings right here from where it leaked at the edges, or maybe that was from the, well, no, that would be the points where it was injection molded. So I mean, this does seem slightly better. Oh, here's a big one right there. I'll get my pointer. Yeah, like right there. Some leaking. And so I mean, like, all of this is easy to fix. I just like sort of drag my X-Acto knife along, but I don't know, I'm not excited to have to do that. If we compare this to, oh, that's, here's an original front piece. You know, it's you just don't have the same things. And I mean, I guess they have quality control at Nintendo, and maybe it was somebody's job to go through and clean up all of these edges. But yeah, I don't know. Maybe it doesn't matter. Maybe I'm being too nitpicky. That's a definite possibility. I'm going to examine kind of these buttons as well. Like, one thing I noticed on some of the other ones, alright, so these are pretty nice. Having like the excess plastic hanging off of these tabs. Both of these look pretty good. One thing, and this leads me to believe that they're using the same supplier. For the letter A, I'll try to get it to catch the light just right. You can see there's globs of I wish I could zoom in on this better. Here we go. You can see that middle part of the A, there's like this excess plastic right there. It's something in the die is screwed up, and it's causing that. And that's actually, if I can pull this one up, it's almost identical placement as the A for this. So, you know, I would say that, you know, retro modding, they seem like a very nice company and stuff, but a lot of this leads me to believe that they're using basically the exact same suppliers for their parts, and they're charging more. And, you know, it's like a lot of times people say you get what you pay for, but, you know, I'm not exactly convinced that you're getting much more when you buy from them. I mean, I guess you're getting like a website that's easier to navigate than eBay. I am very annoyed by eBay. So there's that. But anyway, so I'm going to have my, probably right after I film this, I'm going to start putting together the AGS 101 backlit screen mod, and that video will be forthcoming. So thanks for watching. Yeah, toodaloo.